Okay, we have our hole drilled for our string, which is where we want it. Now we're going to hook the mouth back up. Make sure the mouth, we made all the adjustments on the mouth. We've taken more out down in here, rounded this down so we don't catch, so we're going to check that. So we're going to hook up our two little eye hooks here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We got this is for our spring. We're going to put one back here. So we get our two eye hooks in. Going to hook up our spring.
Are you a business owner, CEO, or responsible for marketing? If you are, iHeartMedia can help you reach your goals and find new customers.
So we get our spring in. Going to temporarily tie our string on in the back. You want to make sure you get your mouth to fit correctly before you put it all back together. I think we're going to be okay. So we're going to screw the mouth back on.
Mr. World here, working the red carpet at the big awards show. You know, the paparazzi keeps asking me, what are you wearing? Well, I'm wearing the hottest styles from Eyeglass World, of course. Eyeglass World has all the nominees for Best Stylish Frames. Even better, they're the winner for Best Supporting Prices.
Get hundreds of designer frames for hundreds less at Eyeglass World, the world's best way to buy glasses. Visit eyeglassworld.com to schedule your eye exam online.
Prescription products require an online consultation with a healthcare provider who will determine if a prescription is appropriate. Restrictions apply. See website for full details and important safety information. Looking for a real solution for ED?
So are we.
At forhims.com/radio, you can get access to the trusted generic versions of proven treatments for ED, like Viagra, for 95% less than the brand name price.
That's right, 95% less.
This is one of your most important steps, is to make sure this mouth works properly, doesn't catch anywhere.
With insurance or with agents for an in-person appointment. The HIMS process is super convenient, totally private, and 100% online. After you complete a simple medical intake at forhims.com/radio, a licensed medical provider assesses your information and determines if treatment might be right for you. HIMS made it so simple to get access to treatment for my ED. Now, I feel like myself. Start your free trial today at forhims.com/radio. That's FORHIMS.radio for your free visit. forhims.com/radio. Visit Grobanstown Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram at 6100 Telegraph Road or Grobanstown.com.
I studied Spanish in college and never got close, but then I tried Babbel.
What's the most effective way to learn another language?
I need to do that a little bit more. I see we're catching on the sides here, so we're going to need to take that down a little bit more.
University studies have shown that using Babbel for 15 hours is try Babbel for free. That's BABBEL.com.
It's the final days to save big store-wide.
We need to, I want it to get it to open up more than that. Okay, we're going to check our tension on this.
On all in-store clearance appliances. Plus, get savings on even more items across the store, like up to 40% off select bathroom products. Hurry and head to your local Lowe's store or visit Lowe's.com to shop the truckload event today. Exclusions apply. While supplies last. Selection varies by location. See Lowe's.com for details. About 126 through 28.
There were many pranks that I did that scared the hell out of me. One of them was we didn't have traffic reports. The station didn't want to pay for that. And so one day I decided that we would just get a helicopter sound effect and claim that the newsman was out there flying the helicopter. Traffic's moving. Hey, Tim, hey, did I leave the instruction manual there in the station? Yeah, Charlie, it's here. It's on the console. Why? I forgot how to turn this thing. Yeah, I can see out the window. You're headed right.
So we're going to take our half-inch dowel and sit it in here where it goes. And just check on our tension.
It's a stick, but you push the button and it says, Charlie, you're headed right. Oh, Tim, I get it. And then the classic closet, that sound effect, the overstuffed closet is
Our tension's going to be fine. We just need to adjust this mouth just a little more. And then we'll be able to finish it up. Thanks for watching.